Hi traders, it's Anthony here. What I want to do with this video is show you how to set up TSCopier so that you can copy trade signals from Telegram over to your MT4 or MT5 account. So we'll run through the install and how to tweak the settings to get the most out of the program. From here it's hands-free, and trades will be automatically copied over to your account in real time. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing is you'll need a VPS, and you'll find a link to one that I recommend in the description below. Log into the VPS through remote desktop connection. Copy and paste your credentials to log in. I recommend a Windows server with a minimum of 16 gig of RAM. You'll install MT4 onto your Windows VPS Windows platform. Install it, log into your account, and then we'll close MT4 for now. Now to purchase TSCopier, you'll see a link in the description below. Click on the link and it will take you to their website. Click on pricing and select the plan that you prefer. I'm going to recommend the monthly plus pro, especially if you're trading a prop firm account. You'll need the pro account. But there's other options that are available, and you can have a good look through these, select the option that suits you best. So once you purchase TSCopier, open Telegram and do a search for the Telegram Signals Copier bot, and you'll receive this message here. Here's the link to download TSC. So click on this link here. That will give you the download files that you require. Go back to your VPS Windows platform. Okay, paste the link into Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using, and you're going to receive these two files. One is the install guide. Definitely open it, have a look at it, and then double click on the exe file. This one here, to install the copier. When you run through the installation, it will ask you to log into your Telegram, log in with your credentials, and then you'll come to this window here requesting your token. And to find the token, go back to Telegram, the Telegram Signals Copier bot, and you'll see your token right here. So you'll be able to select that, copy it to your clipboard and paste that in. Okay, once that's done, it'll open the program, and the first thing you need to do is go into the settings and select the advanced software mode. Bottom right, close, go to account management and create the account. I'm going to call it TWA account manage. So go ahead and create the account. Okay, down here you can see the account has been created. We've got one of one accounts. On the left we can see the account. Click on the account and you can run through this if you like. Alright, so we have now the account set up, ready for the next step of connecting Telegram to MT4. Okay, so this is pretty much the main dashboard. You can click on these headings here across this row, history, etc., symbol settings, signal strategy rules, as you can see. And this will be where you access all the tools within TSCopier. So first things first, we can click on the providers here, and that will drop this down. This is where you'll enter your Telegram provider. Click on the next tab, it will take you to history. It hides the heading. Self-explanatory, you'll be able to track your history. The next one down is Equity Guardian. Got little question marks here, will give you an idea of what these things do, so I'll let you explore that. Further down here, symbol settings you might need to tweak. Well, here's one. Let's just say your Telegram signal provides a gold trade and they have written in there gold buy or sell. And they provide, you know, your TP stop loss and levels and what have you, but your broker may read it as XAUUSD. So have a look and see how the signal provider provides the signal, what they're called a symbol, right? And you might need to pair some of the symbols that don't match. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add a signal provider. We can scroll up to the top or click here, providers, and you can see on the right, add a provider. So we'll click that. You can click yes here, pending orders. So up in here you can search for the channel. So I'll search for TWA Anthony. This is our VIP channel, so we can select that. Click over here to test the message if you like. Go to the channel. I'll search for a New Zealand yen trade that we had yesterday. New order down here. I mean, you'll find that the signals are copy friendly. Copy all of that. You really don't have to do much here. You can leave the settings as default and TSCopier will pick everything up. Okay, so you can see it's picked up the signal pretty well and we are good to go. So the next thing that we need to do in this settings section over here is edit settings, and we're going to make sure that our risk is set. But prior to that, we'll start off with this as automatic, just resetting this. The risk management I'm going to set to 0.1, but you can change that according to your risk appetite. You can use a fixed dollar amount depending on the size of your account. Each trade will risk either $10 or a percentage of your account here. Always start small and work your way up, but I would suggest start with a minimum 0.01 while you're testing this out, and then once you're confident with the system you can increase your risk. I'll start with $10 to test this out. Now the take profit level, you can add or delete these as you need to. I'm going to set 1 TP level and it's going to close 100%. Okay, so we'll just set that up now, save changes. I'm going to go out of here and we're going to look at importing settings. But before we do, just quickly, after we import the settings, I'll come back and show you how to set up some of these other parameters. So we'll go out of here now. So TWA Anthony have settings that you can import. If you go over here to the settings wheel, click that and go down to settings, import code. Make sure these are selected. And you go over to the website and you're going to scroll down. It's tradingwithanthony.com TSCopier, as you can see up here top left. Scroll down the page and you'll find our settings down here. Copy the entire code here. Make sure there's no spaces before and after, and don't miss any of the code. So be specific with the copy and paste. So we'll copy that, and then we head back over to TSCopier and we're going to import the settings into here. So just paste that in there and go import, settings imported, go OK, and we're done. That's all you really need to do with TWA. Now if you're looking to edit some of these parameters yourself, click on settings and go to edit settings. I mean, you can just start from the top and work your way down. If you're trading a prop firm account, you could go over here to the Pro section. You can delay the settings, say 1 to 5. You could change this one as well, 1 to 5. Ignore spread. You want to hide these from the broker. Randomize the magic number. And we don't trade a grid. And I mean, you can have a look at these other settings as well. There's plenty of support with the help icon. You can click that, but I would set these up pretty much in the Pro section. Coming back, you can click through these and change these preferences. Again, I won't go into explaining everything in detail, as there's an incredible help system through here. You can click these icons and it'll help you understand what each of these settings represent and how they will affect your trading. Manipulate the signal. Now you can add a couple of pips to this if you like. I like to do it randomly. You can add a couple of pips 1 to 3 pips, however many you want, to an entry point at random. And this will help with the prop firm accounts, as you don't want any two accounts trading exactly the same. Trading times, I mean, you can change those. Again, everything's in here. News filter if you like. All right, if you're a prop firm trader and you want to close trades however minutes prior to a high impact event, you can alter that in here, or you can don't enter signals prior to an event. That's up to you. Advanced, and you can see all the options in here. I won't go into them. Save changes, close, and we're pretty much good to go. Click back up in here on performance, and you'll be able to track your account. Run a health check down here. It's always a good idea to do this frequently. Okay, so we don't have the expert advisor. Learn how to add the expert advisor to MT4. Add expert advisor. Click attach the expert advisor. There's a video here that you can watch. There's an explanation. Now, if you don't have the expert advisor, the EA, on your MT4, follow the process as I showed you before, clicking the settings button top right corner and press install expert advisor, and that'll automatically install that to your MetaTrader. After that, you'll have to refresh or close and reopen MT4, and the EA should be in there. So I'll close this. We'll open MT4. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do once you've attached Telegram Signals Copier to MT4 is come back over here, learn how to add the expert advisor. You need to add a URL. So see here, requirements. You go here and you add HTTP 127.0.0.1. Okay, so we'll add that now to MT4. Go to Tools, Options. I've already done it, but you're going to click in here and just type in http://127.0.0.1, I think it is, and I've already added it. Okay, and then it'll appear in here, and the expert advisor will then work on your MT4. So what we do is we drag it from the expert advisors into a chart. Don't forget, you have to type in your account name up here. To go back to TSCopier, we'll close this, and you can see the account name is TWAACCMNG. Up in here, account name, double click, TWAACC, and it's case sensitive. So whatever name you assign to the account, that goes in here. Now you can disable order comments if you like. You can do that here, or you can do that in TSCopier. I'll take it out, and we're going to go OK. Okay, so you can see here now that the EA has a smiley face up here in the right hand corner, and this is good to go. So this will transfer the trades from the Telegram VIP group into your MT4 or MT5. Come back here, refresh the health check, and you want to see this now. It's a good idea to run the health check every 2 or 3 days as they update their software package and their EA fairly regularly, so you want to have the latest version running. Then go back here to the account, click on the account. This is all set up, ready to go. Guys, I hope you found the video helpful. Now, if you're looking for a consistently profitable signal provider, our VIP channel here could be definitely worth your while. Head over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com, and you'll find a video on here. You'll see some recent results down below here. You can see that this is consistent, and I'm only asking $19.95 a month. Why? I don't need to charge a lot for this. I love what I do. I get a lot of joy out of sharing my experience and success with other people, and I think there's a real need for this in the world. I don't need a lot back. I don't want to give it away for free, but you shout me, as I've mentioned before. It's a hamburger and chips or a visit to Sushi Train once a month, and I'm happy with that. So yeah, with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.